We got a lot to talk about in your weather. This is maybe the first of 2 weather alert days we're going to have to call in the next 3 days or so, because we have a very similar setup today and again on Sunday.
Absolutely, and as I said earlier, just a conveyor belt of storms coming over South Florida. So we're seeing one round today. We'll see another round over the weekend too. But then Constellation Prize looks really nice for next weekend.
Yeah, and even tomorrow looks great in between the 2 stormy days. Let's take a look at the weather alert day, and I'll show you what we're looking at from now until about 5 p.m. this afternoon is when we have the potential for showers and thunderstorms. Some of those storms could be strong to severe. The biggest weather threats today, isolated tornadoes. There's a slight risk for that, but certainly a much bigger risk for strong winds and some heavy rainfall today. Here's a look at the rain that's moving in along the west coast of Florida right now. That's headed over into our viewing area. There's some thunderstorms in the mix here, and then this line of developing thunderstorms that will move down ahead of a cold front later this afternoon. That'll be around lunchtime today. It'll start along the Treasure Coast and then push through the rest of the area. But behind that, nice quiet conditions for Saturday. Let's track this heavy rainfall here. It's moving up to the northeast. Should be around Okeechobee at 7:38, Indiantown at about 8:05, and then about 8:30 in Vero Beach. Tyler?
Well, Glenn, I'm going to time it out for you right now. The rain is going to be here now. It's already along the Treasure Coast. Then it'll be across the entire viewing area once we get to 8, 9 o'clock this morning. Notice that we're starting to see those yellows and reds fire up on Vipercast 2. That indicates the heavier rainfall on Live Viper 5 Max. Some severe weather is possible by noon. And then later on this afternoon, we go from a threat for some isolated tornadoes to more of a wind damage threat. So we could see wind gusts in excess of 50, maybe 60 miles per hour later on this afternoon. Then once we get to the evening hours, that line is to our south. We see a clearing trend, and it looks really nice for the overnight hours and for Saturday too. Really good stuff. For today though, SPC is highlighting South Florida, and the reason why they're highlighting South Florida is because we have that potential for severe weather. El Nino pattern in place, jet streams swinging over South Florida, and that's going to lead to more severe weather over the next couple of days.
All right, let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. Then we've got high temperatures today, 70s to around 80, about 100% chance for rain across the area today. Everybody should see at least some rainfall today. Again, some of those storms could be strong to severe. Tomorrow, very low chances for rain, about 10%, but rain chances pick up by tomorrow night. And Sunday, we're looking at the chance for showers and thunderstorms again. Some of those storms could be strong to severe during the day on Sunday, but clearing out nicely for Martin Luther King Day and the rest of next week.